So now let's talk about duplication or duplicates. And duplicate is just you having two contacts who have the same details, and it is actually bad for our CRM because number one, it is taking up space, and number two, it is going to lead to bad reporting when we have duplicates of contacts. We do not need duplicates of contacts. We only need one contact. We do not need one contact that have the same email in five places. That is actually very wrong for the health of our CRM. And Zoho CRM actually helps us to be able to find duplicates and also be able to merge all of these duplicates. So when you go over here to the actions, you can see your deduplicate contact. And when you click on that, this is going to allow you to be able to check duplicates based on different criteria. So you can say that you want to check the duplicates based on the email. That means you are checking for people that have the same email. Email seems like the most popular thing to use because it is possible for two contacts to have the same phone number, especially when they are coming from the same company. But it is not possible to have the same email actually. So we use email most of the time, and even if you want to do it, you can use email, you can use phone and mobile at the same time. So when you click on find and merge duplicate, this is going to help you to find whatever duplicates that you have, and you can then be able to merge all of these duplicates. So the duplication is running and it is saying that I do not have any duplicate contact. So please, it is important to run this test once in a while to see whatever duplicates you have. That is because we do not want to have excess contacts with the same email at the same time in our CRM. Like I said, it is very bad for reporting, and if you email the duplicate contact, it is going to affect the history and the communication between the email. You are going to have two different contacts, and we do not want that, which is going to have two different history, and we do not want that. If you're a business owner and you're still looking at your Zoho CRM account and you still feel there are some things that are currently off, or there are some things that are currently not working, your workflows are not working, your blueprints are not working, your cadence are not working, we can help you with that. We offer comprehensive audits, and we are going to look at everything that is currently not working in your Zoho CRM account, and we are going to help you on the next steps on how to fix everything that is currently not working. If you need your comprehensive audit, you can click on the link in the description below and you can book your comprehensive audit with us. And if you also like this video, or if this video is very helpful to you, do not forget to like this video and also share to every Zoho CRM users out there that you know, and also subscribe to this channel because that will go a long way in helping us. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.